Do you want to work in the UK as a nurse? Then get OET score 350 plus in listening, reading, speaking, and 300 in writing. You can earn more than 2 lakh rupees per month. Want to work in Australia? Then get OET score Australia 350 in all 4 modules. You can earn more than 4 lakhs per month in Australia. If you get good OET score, then you can work in the UK, Ireland, New Zealand, UAE, and even the USA. And you can make lots of money per month. Then what are you waiting for? If you're a nurse in India dreaming big, start with OET, stay consistent and follow the right steps. You can work abroad in the next 3 minutes. I'll guide you step by step on how to crack the OET nursing exam and land a job abroad. Let's begin. 1. What is OET? OET stands for Occupational English Test, designed specifically for healthcare professionals. It's different from IELTS because it uses real medical scenarios. You'll be tested in 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, all using nursing-based content. 2. How to prepare. 1. Start with a mock test to know your level. 2. Join a good coaching program, online or offline. Popular ones include Swoosh, Benchmark, and 3. Practice daily, especially writing referral letters and role-playing patient scenarios. 4. Listen to English medical podcasts and shadow consultations to build listening and speaking skills. 5. Join online speaking groups or practice with a friend. 3. Get a job abroad once you pass OET. Here is your next move. Register with the Nursing Council. Clear the CBT test, an online computer-based test on nursing knowledge. Apply to hospitals or NHS trusts. Many offer free visa sponsorship. For example, Barts Health NHS Trust currently has 88 unsponsored nursing jobs. Get ready for online interviews. Focus on communication and clinical scenarios. All the very best for your future. I wish you clear OET and get a high-paid job in foreign countries and earn more than 3 lakh rupees per month. For more such informative videos, subscribe now.